Hi everyone, my name is Syndi, a mom, a wife, and our family loves adventures. Join us as we bring you along with us in our simple and blissful life of fun and adventure. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Blissful Wanderers. And for today's episode, join us as we bring you along with us as we go and hike at Limehouse Conservation Area located in Halton Hills in Ontario, Canada.
You are here.
And then our goal is to go that on towards that red dot until here and then go back
Clean remains. Okay.
there.
That's a good hike.
Okay, are you ready, Sky? Let's go.
You could just do that, you could just do that.
Yeah, the green ones you can do, but the red ones you can't.
So no picking of anything, see? No picking up of flowers, Lovey, okay?
Nothing that.
Okay, love, let's
No
go.
writing anything.
Let's go.
Okay, come on.
He sure is excited as this mama had just given birth. It has been a month and 2 weeks already that we've stayed home. So how about if we go get some fresh air? That needed fresh air for the whole family.
I think that one is for the ants.
Limehouse Conservation Area is a family kid-friendly hike. However, I don't recommend strollers as there are bumpy areas and if you are there for the caves, then you won't be able to get in.
What's that sound, Lovey?
Yellow.
Wait for us, Sky. No, it's fine. Touch it.
Let's go. Okay.
Postcard. Postcard.
Kitampay, kitampay.
Back to the parking spot. This way? You think I can fit in there? I'm sorry, I'm gonna take this way, okay? Because of Sissy. There you go.
Did you have fun, mommy? Ah, yeah, of course. I miss this.
It's too fast. Careful of bees.
Be careful of the bees. So what are you collecting, Sky?
These ones.
What are those? Dan. Yes, dandelions.
Sweet Caroline. Sweet Caroline. Sweet Caroline. Sweet Caroline. Sweet Caroline.
Sweet Caroline. That's your last song syndrome, Skylar. Right?
What is that?
Last song syndrome. That's the last song that you heard. And you keep on singing it.
Could be
Where's the bee?
down. A bit right.
Yeah, it's okay. Just leave them alone.
The one that one.
See?
Of course. You will. Did you have fun, Manong? Did you have fun? Really, really fun?